Okay, now we need to set the filling machines. The filling machine, uh, the first we need to set these buttons on the middles. Okay, then we press this one. It will show A zeros. A zeros. A zeros. We press A00. It's right. Then press. Then we need to set the A1. Press. Press. Press the A1. You will see C04. C04 is our setting. Now press into A11. A11. Press A11. We need to set it A1 A10. Okay, we press. Now we need go to the A12. A12 press. A12 we set it C21. Okay, then you need to set it A13. Press. You need to set it C11. Okay. Then A14, A15, A16, and A17, 8, 9. You don't need to set. It keeps on the uh, on the factory normal. It's okay. Now we need to uh, exit. Okay. Now this F1, this F0s we need to normally we need to set it. Press 1. F0s means the machine filling times. The filling times it depend on your it depend on your filling volts. Now normally we set it 1.5. If if it is not filling enough, you need rise the second. It means if we set it 1.5, it means it filling 1.5 seconds. If we set it 2, it means each time it will filling 2 seconds. Okay, now we can set it 1.5, then press 0. Okay, uh, F F1 normally we set it point 0.1. Uh, F2 F2 normally set it 1. Okay, it's okay. The other normally one we can only need to adjust the F10 because it is the filling times. Uh, the other the others it needn't to set. Normally we will set before we ship before in our factories. Okay, now we open the machine. And now please check its Chinese menus. First, you need to press the menu here and press 0 and press this button 5 seconds. Now it will change to the English. Okay, now we need to uh, set up programs to do the filling. So first you need to press the menu, then you choose the new files and press yes, and you set a name. We named it 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, now we in the program interface. So first we need to choose point. Press 1. Okay. Now you the point means you need to set the first point of the filling cartridge. Now we move move this move the machine to the first ramp. Okay. Press 2. Okay, you look the first point we have set. Now we press enter. Okay, the first point is the first point we have set. Now we need to uh, set the second point. We press 1. Okay, now we move. Now we move the machine. Please check. Now we move to the second point. Okay. Now we press enter. Okay. By the way, we continue do the following. Press point, then move to the third point. Press enter, and the fourth we move to the fourth point. Okay. Point. We need to put the 5/5 point. Okay, press enter. Point. Now go set the last point. Please check the last point we have set, and now we press enter. Okay, now please we have set the 4 point we want to fill in, and now we need to press F3. When you print F3, you see you choose all the points, and now you press enter. Enter now then you come in the interface. Now you need to set the uplift. Okay. Normally we set the uplift means we filling the cartridge, then it will uplift then to the second cartridge. So normally we send it 15. Okay. Okay. Now we still need to set the on daily. On daily means the filling times. The filling times normally we set it 3 seconds. Okay. Okay. Now it's finished.